In this video, we'll demonstrate a keypad application of the FT810 and show how you can design your user interface quickly and easily using our EVE Screen Editor toolchain before moving the code to the MCU for your final product. We have our FT810 development modules here with the FT813 and 5-inch capacitive touch displays. We can use our EVE Screen Editor or ESE toolchain to design the user interface layout by dragging and dropping graphics objects and widgets onto the screen. ESE generates the list of EVE commands needed to create the screen. We can export or copy these into our MCU code for fast and easy implementation of our design. There are a wide range of landscape LCD panels available on the market, but some applications, such as this keypad, suit a portrait orientation. The FT810 has a feature where it can rotate the screen content and touch via a simple command, allowing us to use our 800 by 480 landscape screens in portrait. We have an ME813 AU-WH50C module here, which has an onboard USB-SPI connection connected to our PC, and with a few clicks we can preview our design on the real screen. Once we have developed our screens, we can then use these in an MCU-driven application. We can connect an FT900 MCU, such as our MM900 EVE-1B development module, to our ME813 A-WH50C via the onboard SPI pin header. And we can port the ESE code into a code library, such as our EVE-MCU-DEV library available on GitHub. This library supports a wide range of MCUs and USB to SPI adapters, along with any other MCU using our porting guide. We can compile the project and upload it to the attached FT900 MCU. With EVE's powerful graphics capabilities, including alpha blending, image formats, and text widgets, you can create an eye-catching keypad with very little MCU resource usage. EVE's touch tagging features provides fast and easy touch implementation for the buttons. The audio engine, with its range of built-in sounds and custom sound playback, is ideal to acknowledge touch and provide a more intuitive user experience. With the application running entirely on the MCU, we can now proceed to integrate our keypad into the final product where the MCU controls a real locking device. Here are some more typical applications of the FT810 series of EVE. Please get in touch to see how our FT810 series can help you enhance your product's user interface. It's easy with EVE.